We're an ordinary family in search of the extraordinary, right in our own backyard. Join us as we hit the road together and explore the great outdoors. From the beaches,
woo-wee, so stoked,
to the back roads and everything in between that we can experience together. Nothing fancy, just this grand adventure called life.
All right, can you watch the camera while Mommy talks? Cheese. Okay, first, everybody smile. Say cheese. All right, guys, so we're here at the Malibu Bluff Park, and we came to check this out because we were going to try the Escondido Falls hike, but it turns out the parking lot there costs $8 to park. And all it is it has maybe 15, 20 spots or so, with almost all of which were taken. So we decided not to do that one. We're going to try this one instead. It's a little bit smaller, a little bit easier, and we'll let you know what we think of it. Yay, you ready to go? Uh-huh, let's go.
Don't forget your camera. Come on.
fishy.
Whoa, look what's out there. Is that the ocean? Have a good hike? Yeah? Did you get tired though? Just a little bit. But was the ocean pretty? So pretty. Did you see boats? And what did you see up in the sky? What'd you see? Airplanes. They were all over, huh? Up overhead? Was that fun? What? Is there another one? Is there one up there? You saw it? Good job.
There are coyotes out there.
Hi. Cheese.
Down the bluff some more. Whoa.
Hey guys, we just finished up our walk at the Malibu Bluffs Park. As I mentioned in the intro, it was a little bit of a different plan than we had hoped for today, but it ended up being a good one. It was easier, I think, and quite a bit shorter than we had planned for today, but it was a good kind of substitute walk, which we had actually had as a backup plan. We use an app that really helps us out with planning if we're going to an area where we want to hit. It tells us the ease of the hike itself, the elevation climb, and good reviews firsthand from people that have walked it. So it was really nice to be able to look at that and see where we wanted to go. Oh, did you get stuck? That's okay. We're almost done. So we brought our trusty carrier just in case, and sure enough, our littlest one got a little bit tired. So we were able to put her up and keep up with the walk. Not too many hills, but just enough to get a good leg workout. And as I said, it wasn't quite as strenuous as we had planned for today. So it was kind of a nice, easy Sunday hike. So we'll write it up and we'll have a full review for you guys, which we'll link to down below, as well as the app that I mentioned. We'll link to a write-up about that so you guys can see what we use and how we use it to kind of plan our days. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have fun, and some of you might check it out. Leave us a comment if you have any questions or if you want to add anything on your experiences out here. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll be back soon with another video.